Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Microsoft Outlook to n8n step by step so you can start automating emails and workflows easily. This method works for all n8n users, so let's get into it. First, open n8n in your browser. You can either continue with an existing workflow or create a new one. Both options work. Next, click on Add Node. In the search bar, type Outlook. Then select Microsoft Outlook from the list. Now you'll see different actions you can choose from. For this example, select Message Received, but you can choose any action depending on what you want your workflow to do. After that, look for the Credentials section. Click Select Credential, then choose Create New Credential. Now click Connect My Account. A Microsoft Sign-In window will appear. Sign in using your Outlook or Microsoft email and password. If you're already logged in, it may automatically detect your account. Next, Microsoft will ask for permission to access your account. Simply click Accept to continue. Once the connection is successful, the window will close automatically and you'll see that your credentials have been created. Now select those credentials from the drop-down menu. From here, you can customize the node. Choose your resource, operation, mailbox, and any other settings you need. At this point, your Outlook account is fully connected to n8n and ready to use in your workflow. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.